Finally, the ML is getting the center dash MMI display screen upgraded, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn on the post notification, leave me comments in the section below, like, and don't forget to share this video. Now finally the day has come. Oh my god, I am getting rid of this 4 or 5-inch MMI outdated non-touchscreen display. Like, this display right here has to go. I mean, it just looks so outdated. The color, I mean, it just does not belong here. But anyways, we have a fix for that. I bought this MMI display 9-inch screen on eBay. Let me go ahead and take it out. So this is the display screen I'm talking about. So it's gonna go in place of this. So it's gonna go right here. So now I'm gonna have the GLE screen. See, it looks nice, right? Okay, so this display has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. It retains all the stock feature that comes with a car. Everything from factory will stay the same. Nothing won't change. It's just I have a bigger touchscreen now. I can watch TV, I can watch movies on here. Also, it has a 4G cellular SIM card slot right there. So if I want to put in a SIM card, I could have 4G capability on this screen right here. Isn't this amazing? Oh my god, I can't wait to get it installed. Now I'm heading to Proline Car Audio to get this display screen installed. I will be leaving the car with them because they don't allow recording inside their bay because of their policy. So this video is going to be the same. I'm just going to go ahead and drop it out. They're going to install it. They're going to call me. I'm going to head back and pick up the car, and I'm going to show you what it looks like and walk you through some of the menus and stuff like that. I'm gonna ask the guy that installed it to actually show me how to maneuver the screen because it's a new screen and I don't know how it works. So I'll catch you guys back in a few. So I just made it to Proline Car Audio. Why are you interrupting my video, guy? You see this guy right here? He's trouble. But anyways, that's the manager for the store. So if you need any form of custom audio work done, radio install, if you need Viper alarm, any form of alarm installed on your car, definitely check Proline Car Audio out. Come here to, what's the address? 2765 Atlantic Avenue. Ask for a guy. I will be leaving their information in the description box below where you could hit them up and come in and check them out and see what type of installation you need to get done. So I just received a phone call from Proline Car Audio that the car is actually ready for me to pick up. Right now I'm heading to the shop. I'm so excited. I'm so anxious. I can't wait to see what that new LCD screen looks like inside the ML. And I'm going to take you guys along with me to see the reveal. All right? So stay tuned. So I'm here with the car. I'm about to enter the car to see what the screen looks like for the first time. Here you go, guys. Oh my god. Now this is what I'm talking about. Look at how perfect this right here looks with this 9-inch screen. I really don't know why Mercedes never put the screen in the ML. They put it in the GLE, but they didn't put it in the ML. That sucks. Oh my god, this shit looks amazing. So I'm gonna wait for the installer that installed the car to come, and I'm gonna ask him a few questions about the screen. How long did it take for him to install it, and if this can be done at home. All right, so he's currently eating right now, so give me like 5 minutes and I'm gonna get his attention to come over and explain to me. So we finally have Calvin here. Calvin, say hi.
You know I hate this.
I know. So you guys remember him from the previous video when he did my alarm for me in the X5? So he's the one that basically installed this LCD screen. Calvin, the screen, it looks amazing, right? It looks good.
It looks like, yeah, it actually looks like the newer version then, like the GLE.
The GLE.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, because you have both your screens. You have the standard command screen, as well as having your Android screen as well.
Right. So my question to you, right? How long did it take for you to basically install this, and can somebody at home actually do it themselves, or they need professional help?
I mean, yes and no. I mean, you can't. It can be done at home. It can be done at home. It's just a matter of, because some of the stuff, a good amount of stuff is plug and play.
Right.
But there are configurations. I mean, the papers they give you, it shows you. Some companies do it, some don't. But the configurations will show you like little things that you have to go through, so that, say, the factory camera works, or that it switches over, because for you to have the audio from the auxiliary screen, you have to use the auxiliary input from the factory system. So just little small stuff like that. I mean, that's really it. They don't make it too difficult.
Okay, all right, good. So that's the only question basically I want to ask you. So I just want you to go ahead and just give me like a brief, you know what I mean, just show me how everything works. I'll just switch from Apple CarPlay, turn on the reverse, put the car in reverse so the camera can comes up, and just show me all of that.
Yeah, well that camera is by default, like, well, we're in the standard screen now.
Right.
So it's gonna come up as normal.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? If I put it in reverse, it's still gonna come up as normal.
Okay guys, so as you see, camera comes up, everything works as normal. Okay, back in park, and this is the home screen layout. It's kind of different.
That's the regular. The lights are on. Remember, the lights are on, so it's not what's the name? It's on nighttime right now, because remember, you're inside, the headlights are on.
Oh.
Remember how it goes dark, even from the factory screen it was like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So remember, when the lights are off, it shows like the tan color.
Tan color, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's like a reduced glares and all that. Okay.
Exactly. So now, if you want to go to the Android screen, just tap the screen.
Okay.
It'll switch you right over. This is your main menu. The NTG mode basically takes you back to the factory screen.
And also, I noticed that when before you came, I was kind of like playing with right here. Yeah. I pressed the star button and it went back to the home screen. It went back to right here. So go back to the Apple screen. Okay, so press the star button.
Okay.
See, there you go.
That's the part I didn't try.
And that turns off the screen.
Yeah.
Okay. So now connect your phone so I can see the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, how it works. So it just does this come with wireless CarPlay?
Yes. Once you connect through Bluetooth, a couple of seconds later, it's going to ask you if you would like to use wireless CarPlay.
Okay.
You can use CarPlay through the USB.
Okay.
Okay. Or you can do it wireless. Either which way.
Okay.
So,
all right. Cool.
Let me see.
Okay, so there you go.
Exactly.
Okay, cool.
So here. I'm not gonna check my contacts. Sometimes they have a little bit of a delay when you're switching from. That's what it does. Now, see, look, use CarPlay.
Oh, okay. So that's a wireless CarPlay.
Yeah. That Z-Link is the app that they use on the Android devices.
Okay.
For wireless and wireless CarPlay. Yeah.
Okay.
A couple of seconds.
So it takes a little while for it to.
Yeah.
Okay, so there you go. So that's how the CarPlay looks.
Yep. CarPlay pops up.
Oh, it's pretty snappy. Oh.
That's the settings for CarPlay. You just hit it and go back to the main screen.
Okay, good.
You have you have your music and the nav at the same time. You have your other apps as well.
Okay.
Navigation apps, Waze, Spotify, music, TomTom, yeah. Anything that's on your phone that is CarPlay or Android Auto capable will pop up on the screen once you're connected.
Okay, and I noticed that they have like a I think it's a slot for to put like a SIM card.
Yeah, that's a SIM card. If you get, I don't know exactly which. I mean, there should be any, but when you go to like T-Mobile, Boost, whatever the case may be, You actually gonna ask for like a hotspot card, data card,
Data card.
SIM card, exactly.
And I can put it in there and it puts
Pop
up.
it in there and boom. Without aside from you using your hotspot on your phone itself, you can just go straight in.
Without connecting.
Exactly.
Okay.
You have your own data, and there you go. You go to the Play Store just like you would on an Android phone. You can download more apps.
Okay.
Okay, as well as what's on there. Let's go back. Click here, brings you back to the main screen.
Okay.
You have iGo navigation on here, which is
built in.
Exactly.
Okay.
Comes into the unit.
Okay, there you go.
I'm inside now, so we'll look for GPS signal.
All right, we're not gonna do all of that because that's gonna take a little while.
Yeah.
You know. So I guess pretty much that's it.
Yeah, it does videos. It does videos as well. Like if you have a USB flash drive or hard drive,
Just plug it into that.
Exactly.
Okay.
Plug it in there. This is an internal demo. That's
Right.
what you're seeing now. Yeah. The reason it's showing you audio switching is because what it's doing is switching the audio on the is designed to switch the audio on the radio. See, look, if you notice now, it's an auxiliary. It's on 97.1.
Okay.
It switches it over so you can hear your audio. The
Okay.
plug, like the plug I was telling you about before.
Right.
See?
So that's the plug you use to put inside there.
That's the AMI plug. That gives you the audio into the Android part of the unit.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so anything from the Android, the CarPlay, the regular Bluetooth, the videos, whatever comes through there, comes through the auxiliary.
Okay.
You still have this. You can still use this when you're in Android mode. It's iDrive.
Good.
Okay, so just to let you know.
All right, so that's it. Everything is pretty much self-explanatory. You covered everything that I needed to know about the unit. Thank you so much for everything, Calvin. I really appreciate you for everything that you've done for me and my car and this channel too as well, and taking the time out, for me to interview you, because a lot of people won't do that.
Not a problem at all.
All right, thanks, Cal.
You got it.
Okay, guys, so I just made it back to the house. Whew, traffic is crazy right now. But anyways, guys, that completes the installation for the 9-inch LCD Android Auto flat screen that I installed in the Ml63 AMG. I'm kind of like out of bed because I was running up the stairs because I got a hair appointment at 4 and I'm late. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for liking this video. Thank you so much for sharing my content. I will be leaving all the information in the description box below where you can purchase the unit, and also for Proline Car Audio. If you need this installation done to your car or any form of installation, music-wise, alarm-wise, anything done to your car. All right, guys. So, I love it. Do you guys love it? Drop your comments, drop your thoughts in the section box below and tell me, guys, what you think. Okay? So, peace, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.